Today I will show different types video how I got first order on Fiverr. It was first order on Fiverr. This is my profile. See my name, first message my client. This I would need to compression top and bottom molds from a finished part drawing. We'll CNC from 5 axis. The H mold need to have a 75 mm perimeter. Will be compression 19 mm to something. There some message. Just I will show through how I will get and how I will solve complete this job. I will show everything how I did complete my project and delivery. Okay, watch, be carefully. Then I message it in my time 7 local time. This is our local time. It was my client information, this my client information, and this time just show next. It was conversation, then next conversation. I don't want to read everything because we will take many time, so just I am showing step by step all message. Then I will show how did work and how to solve it and how did it. Then next, it was my conversation. I sent an offer to him. Just next conversation, and next, this is the next confirmation. He sent me a step file. I download and I worked on it. I sent it. Then next, it was my conversation. Then next, and then next, actually I am showing everything first to last. Then next, it was my PC. I did work on this PC. Just it was conversation with this my client. Just he asked me, actually it will be like this. Then next, and then next. Actually it has to make a mold. Just see next, so our conversation. Next, some conversation, and next conversation, and next. I think it will be helpful for a new seller. So if you are new seller, you should watch, be carefully for experience. Then next, then the next, and next. This, yes, one side has been finished. I made it mold design one part. Just this is the finished part. I finish it and finish this. Okay, it was finished job. Okay, now I will show my job. It was client job. Just see, it has to make mold design. Just show neat surface. Just see, I made it. Okay, now I will show how to set this neat surface. Neat surface means this mold surface. Just go to this surface and right click and go to this insert to new part and go to this browse and select your folder. I select this folder and show your name, write your name. Just write my name. Okay, and it will be fat. Just save it, click save. Okay, now click OK and click yes. Now see, this mold is separated. Okay, this is the separated body. Actually it is separated from this main component. Okay, now you can check it's saved or not. Just minimize it and sorry, just cancel it, again cancel it. Don't save, just go to this file and go to file location. I saved it in mold design. Mold design, go to this file and save it neat. Just see. Oh, sorry, just see. Yes, see, this is our file. Just open it. Just open it. Yes, okay. This is our file. Yeah. Thank you for watching. If you want to know, if you want to watch any new design and new projects, please subscribe to my channel to get new design and new projects. Thank you for watching.